Right, in this video I'm given an expression for the difference of two sums, and I want to find the value without the use of a calculator. So working with these expressions in this form won't help much. So how about we go ahead and copy the first expression and then copy the second expression. So for the first expression, as we can see here, we have a top limit of 10 and a bottom limit of 3, summing up this expression of 1 over y minus 2. And then for the second expression, I have a top limit of 10 and a bottom limit of 3, summing up this expression of 1 over y minus 1. So what we can do here is try to expand these sums. We can try to expand these sums. After expanding them, then we can work with them and try to find the difference between the two sums and try to work out the difference between the two sums. So now we can go ahead and expand. Right, so where there's a y, I'll start off by substituting the bottom limit of 3, and then and proceed to substitute in increments of 1. So in other words, for the second term I'll substitute a 4, for the third term I'll substitute a 5, up until I get to the top limit of 10. So for the first term I will have a 1 over 1 divided by, where there's a y, I will substitute a 3 subtract 2, I get a 1. For the second term, the y becomes a 4, so 4 subtract 2, I get a 1 over 2, plus for the third term I'm going to substitute a y equal to 5 subtract 2, I get a 1 over 3. As you can see, the denominators for these terms are actually telling me that I am actually counting in 1, 2, 3, and then I can actually predict the fourth term. I can see that the fourth term is going to be a 4, the fifth term is going to be a 5, the sixth one is going to be a 6, the seventh one is going to be a 7, and then the eighth one. But also keeping in mind that you are starting from 3 going to 10. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the last one, 1 over 8. And then for the second expression, for the second sigma notation, I will go ahead and substitute here. Where there's a y, I'm going to substitute a 3. I'll have a 1 over 3 subtract 1, I get a 2, plus for the second one I substitute a 4, I get a 1 over 3, because a 4 subtract 1, I get a 3. And then for the fifth one, for y equal to 5 gives me the third term, I get a 1 over 5th, I get a 4, so which is 5 subtract 1, I get a 4, plus 1 over 6, wait, excuse me, sorry for that, I get a 5 actually here, because I'm substituting a 6, so that so now I can see that the denominators are actually increasing in ones, starting from 2. So let's go ahead and count in ones, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we get a 6, 7, keeping in mind that the end or the upper limit is actually 10. So starting from 3, 4, 5, so this is term number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 and 10. So after expanding, now I can actually go ahead and find the value for the difference of these two sigma expressions. So now what I will do is copy everything down here. So these two expressions are actually copied from above. This expression is the one here subtracted by this one here, equal to this this one, and this one in its expanded form is this one here, and then this one in its expanded form, it's this one here. So what I will do now is subtract these two sums. So this half will cancel out this half because of the difference or the negative sign in between, and then the 1 over 3 will cancel out this 1 over 4 will cancel out this 1 over 5 will cancel out this 1 over 6 will cancel out this 1 over 7 will cancel out this 1, and this 1 over 8 will cancel out this one. As you can see now, I'm left with 1 over 1 and 1 over 9. So my answer will be 1 subtract 1 over 9. Keep in mind that there's a negative in between, so the negative, when distributed inside this bracket, the negative and a positive will give me a negative. So therefore I cross multiply, I get a 9 minus 1 over 9 equal to 8 over 9. So this is my final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Thanks guys, I'll see you on the next video.